Good morning. This is Mike Johnson with the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, and we're going to take a look at the potential for severe weather for Friday afternoon through Friday night. Multiple waves of severe weather are possible across the Mid-South during this period, and it may extend into the morning hours as well on Saturday, especially across northeast Mississippi. Severe thunderstorms are most likely on Friday night as a cold front moves through the area. However, there is a possibility for scattered supercells to develop out ahead of this cold front during the afternoon and evening hours, and this actually presents a higher end threat due to the potential for strong tornadoes. However, there is a little more uncertainty with this afternoon and evening potential. We'll talk about that in a moment. So basically what we're looking at is the potential for damaging winds, tornadoes, large hail, and heavy rainfall. So here's a look at the severe weather outlook for Friday. This is an enhanced risk across the Mid-South. And that is a level 3 out of 5, sort of the mid-range there. And we don't get those a lot around here, so it's a fairly elevated risk. Basically, this is due to the potential for damaging winds and strong tornadoes. Again, strong tornadoes will be possible with any supercells that develop during the afternoon and evening hours. It could be anywhere in the Mid-South. Right now the location and exact timing still a little bit uncertain. However, there are some uncertainties that go with this. For instance, if we have widespread showers that develop before these thunderstorms, that would limit our instability and really put a lid on the amount of potential that we have during this period. So our confidence is only about a 2 out of 5. Now during the overnight period, we do think the potential for strong to severe storms is much higher along that cold front where these storms are expected to develop. So our confidence is 4 out of 5 during the overnight period. And again, this extends into early Saturday morning. This is a look at the risk for Saturday. Really encompasses the area from Tupelo, Iuka, Savannah, and those areas to the east. There's also an excessive rainfall marginal risk across the area. We don't think that the flash flooding potential is very high, but if we get any training, it's possible with these storms moving over the same areas. Rainfall rates will be pretty high, especially if we get any supercells to develop. So there is that low wind potential, especially in poor drainage and urban areas. Now we just want to remind you to have multiple ways to receive severe weather information. That includes a NOAA weather radio, your cell phone, local TV, and radio. There are outdoor warning sirens. Those should not be your primary way of getting this information. Make sure you have more than one, and this will be an overnight event most likely. So make sure you keep those cell phones unmuted and charged and ready to go. Be sure and check back with the National Weather Service, and we'll keep you updated.